Alright guys, so these are all over YouTube. We're making a chicken tractor, but I need to build one. I figured I'd show you how I did it. I already cut all the boards to length. I got 26 meat birds in my chicken coop that are ready to go out. Be 2.5 foot tall, 5 by 8, so it's going to be what, 40 square foot. I already got everything cut. I went ahead and grooved where the legs are going to be. Okay. I had to go make my notch wider. Well, I'm going to put the roof on it and then get to putting some chicken wire on there, or some 1x2 wire around, and I'll show you the end results tomorrow. So, using 1.5 inch roofing screws to hold the tin down. Pretty much done. Look at this thing. Got your place for them to stand under, shade on the side, shade on this side. Got them a gap up here for airflow, and so the water flows off the back side. Look at it. It's not terrible. Got 4 hinges on the back. Hey Mags. But yeah, we're about to attach the ropes to this sucker. And once we get that attached, we're gonna drag it down and we're gonna get the chickens put in here. So y'all stay with me. Pretty heavy. So check it out. I gotta clean up still. Got me a pull rope. You wonder why I'm heavy breathing. Let's drag that thing about 80 yards. It's pretty heavy. Good thing they're heavy and they can't fly. It'd be hard to catch these things. Well, we got everybody in. They all seem happy. They don't seem to be stressed out too bad. I put a little extra food in there for them. That's exactly what we want. We want them to scratch. We want them to break up the ground. We want them to fertilize. Because all this is going to turn into silvopasture. That Ella. What are you doing, Ella? Just wanted to show you my quick version of a chicken tractor. I think they're happy.